Flooring. In the previous session, we learned to install the P-trap and position the toilet pan. In this session, we will learn flooring the toilet area and bathing area. Understanding how to floor will help you create a floor which is strong, stable, and has a good appearance. At the end of this session, you will be able to floor the toilet pan area and floor the bathing area. As per our plan, the toilet area has a length of 80 centimeters from the back wall. Considering the length of the basement as 20 centimeters and allowing 2 centimeters for plastering, the toilet area is at a length of 58 centimeters from the basement. The toilet area should slope towards the toilet pan and the bathing area should slope towards the drainage pipe so that the water drains easily. Before we go into the procedure, first let's take a look at the tools and materials. The tools are trowel, mortar mixing pan, measuring tape, 4-inch paintbrush, sponge, rammer, straight edge. The materials are cement mortar in the ratio of 1:4, tile pieces, plain cement concrete or PCC in the ratio of 1:4:8. We will now see the steps involved in flooring the toilet area. First, we measure and mark 58 centimeters from one end of the basement. This is to place bricks to pack the end of the toilet pan. Repeat the same on the other end. Join the two marks. Place 2 layers of bricks and pack with cement mortar. The brick is dipped in water for stronger bondage. Tightly pack the surface beneath the toilet pan using sand. Add water so that it is critical to fill the entire space underneath the pan fully with sand. To ensure that the sand is completely filled, knock on the toilet pan. If it is not completely filled, you will hear a hollow sound. This is an indication that the sand is not tightly packed. In such situations, ensure that the sand is tightly packed. Also, pour some water over the sand so that sand or sand gravel is tightly packed. Place brick pieces to the same level as the bricks placed earlier and fill the gap between them and the basement. Place a cloth inside the flush opening in order to prevent sand from entering the pan. Spread a layer of sand in the area surrounding the pan. Check the level of the toilet pan on either side and using a measuring tape, ensure there is 2 centimeters available for filling the PCC. Cover the toilet pan with empty cement sacks. Now pour some water over the layer of sand. Add a layer of PCC on the layer of sand. Level the PCC layer using a trowel. We will now see the steps involved in flooring the bathing area. Measure and mark 10 centimeters on the foundation from the ground level. Fill the area with mud till the 10 centimeter mark. Now fill the remaining area with PCC. Tighten the PCC layer using rammer. We have now finished flooring the toilet and bathing area. Now we proceed to slope the toilet area. Add a layer of cement mortar at the corners of the toilet pan area and place a tile over it. Check the level of the tile with respect to the toilet using spirit level. The slope should be towards the toilet pan. Similarly, place a tile over the cement mortar at the other 3 corners of the toilet pan area. Using straight edge and spirit level, check the level of the other 3 tiles. All of them should be at the same height. Slope the area from the tile towards the toilet pan using a trowel and a straight edge. Finish the edge of the toilet area using a straight edge and trowel. Remove the tile pieces and fill the area with cement mortar. Clean the toilet pan using a paintbrush. Pour cement grout over the area and spread it using a small trowel. Clean the toilet using sponge. We have now sloped the toilet area. We will now proceed to slope the bathing area. Place a tile beneath the drainage pipe. Keeping this tile as reference, place tiles at other corners of the bathing area at an elevated height. Check the elevation by placing one end of the straight edge on top of the tile beneath the drainage pipe and the other end on top of the tile placed at an elevated level. Place the spirit level on top of the straight edge. The bubble tends towards the higher level. Place tiles on the other side at the other 2 ends at the same elevation as that of the elevated tile. Check the elevation by placing the spirit level on the straight edge to ensure the slope is towards the tile near the drainage pipe. Slope the area towards the drainage by using a straight edge. Finish using a wooden float. Remove the tiles and fill the area with cement mortar. Apply a thin layer of cement grout to smoothen the surface. Spread the grout using a trowel. Apply some water using a paintbrush to give a finishing touch. We have now sloped the bathing and toilet area. This ensures the water falling anywhere in the toilet area drains to the toilet pan, and water falling anywhere in the bathing area drains to the drainage pipe. With that, we have come to the end of this session. In this session, we have learned to floor the toilet and bathing area, slope the toilet and bathing area. In the next session, we will learn to install the drainage system.